Welcome to TurboTips. Tip number 7. TurboCoder keyboard shortcuts. Unlock improved productivity when using TurboCoder. As with all good software, TurboCoder has many useful keyboard shortcuts that duplicate the point-and-click mouse commands. Many of these are displayed with commands in their respective drop-down menus. While most people are familiar with standard keyboard commands such as Ctrl-C to copy and Ctrl-V to paste, there are more keyboard commands that can assist in making your coding even more efficient. Firstly, resizing the type size in any panel, including the navigation panel. Click the cursor in the panel you wish to adjust with your left mouse button. Hold the Control button down and use the mouse wheel to scroll up and down. The type will resize to your preference. Please note this is the only way the navigation panel can be adjusted. To make the left frame active, press Ctrl-T, as in tree or table of contents. To make the right frame active, press Ctrl-D, as in document. To make the search box active, press Ctrl-F, as in find. To clear the last search, press F5. To follow a link, position the caret in a link and press Enter. You can open a note by selecting the note symbol and pressing Enter. To backtrack from a selected link, press Escape. The Escape key will also go backward along all the steps you have followed to get to your current location. Press F1 to access the Help section of TurboCoder. You will find more keyboard shortcuts under the caret and keyboard.